Hello my dear students, today in set part 12 we are going to see about the operations on sets. Okay, operations on sets. In the first video we have seen about the union. Now in the second video we are going to see about the intersection. What is intersection? Before going to that, we should know what is intersection. Here is the definition of the intersection. What is intersection? See, intersection of two sets A and B is a set whose elements are present in both sets. The sets A and B. That means common elements of set A and B. If the common element of set A and B, if it is given, okay, then only if it is common, then only we can make the intersection. If there is no common element, then we cannot find out the intersection for it. Example, if I take A is equals to 1, 2, 3 and B is equals to 1, 5 and 6. What is A intersection B? This is the symbol for intersection. This is the symbol for the intersection. What is A intersection B? What is common in this one? 1 is common. So A intersection B is equals to 1. A intersection B is equals to 1. Suppose if it is given A is equals to 1, 2, 3 and B is equals to 5, 6 and 7. So A intersection B is equals to null set. There is no common. So it will be null set. Okay. Now one more we will take. A is equals to 1, 2, 5, 7, 8 and B is equals to 6, 1, 5, 4, 3. Then A intersection B is equals to, what is common? 1 is common. Next 5 is common. Is there any more? No. So A intersection B is equals to 1, 5. That means what is common in both the sets, in the first set, in the second set, what is common? You have to write that one in the intersection. Okay. Intersection A and B. Here I have taken, in all the videos I am saying that here I have taken A and B. It is not necessary that you should take A and B only. A means first set, B means second set. Okay. If it is given in your textbook some other name for it, you can use that. Okay. These are the names of the set. Okay. So what is intersection? What you will do in the intersection? What the common element you will find, that will be written in the intersection. What will be the common element that will be written in the intersection? Okay. And which are not common, it is not written. Okay. That means it should be present in the first set and it should be present in the second set. If it is present, then only we can make the intersection. What is intersection? What is the definition for the intersection has been given here. Intersection of two sets A and B. Intersection of two sets A and B is a set whose elements are present in both. Set A and set B. That means in the first set and in the second set. That means it should be the common element. And this is the symbol for intersection. Hope everyone understood. Please like my videos, share my videos and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.